have chosen to share with all of you the mele Pālolo I Ka Uhiwai. We come from the Valley of Pālolo, and in wanting to share that mele, we also pay homage to our lo'ea or our matriarch, Vicky Keʻaliʻi Ka'apuni Honua I Rodriguez. She resided right there at the foot of Ka'au Crater in Pālolo Valley. And she comes from there, I come from there, Halau comes from there, how more appropriate that we can share this mele especially. Uhiwai is like that mist. You know when you see the rain like we had earlier, and you see that mist coming down? Yeah, that's what you see in Pālolo a lot of times, because we get a lot of rain. It's a very rare old mele that we found in a Hawaiian newspaper that I first did in 1995 at Mary Monarch. And we haven't touched it since. So for this occasion, I felt how nice if we could share that, to share our matriarch, to share Pālolo, where we come from. Okay, we start our performance, first of all, with the Aloha chant, because Aloha is everything, yeah? And we stress that. So we open with the Aloha chant, and then the ladies go into our oli, which is an oli that was written for our lo'ea. I call her Mama. She's also my Kumu. And there is a oli that was written for her, especially by my daughter, Ku'ukamalani, in which she honors her Nana. And so we have found every kahiko performance that we do, we open our performance with that mele to pay homage to our lo'ea, which is Mama. And that is the oli Keʻaliʻi Ka'apuni Honua that we will share. From that, we go into our ho'opuka, which is standard for any kahiko mele. Then take us into Pālolo, doing our mele, sharing that. And then we close, the girls go out with a ho'i that was written by Mama for our students, where we again still pay tribute to her as we leave the floor. And we have shared her, we have shared mele for her, and that's what our ho'i takes us out with. And then of course we close with the second half of the Aloha chant, sharing aloha to everyone for allowing us to share our hula. And that's what we're all about.